Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are diving into the first step, and wherein we are going to learn how important it is, to have clarity, because clarity is the first step to power. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. Take your first step now. What we are going to do now is to take the first step in turning the invisible into the visible, in making your dream a reality. By this time we are finished, you will have created yourself an anticipation so great, a future so compelling that you can't help but take the first steps today. We will be covering four areas: personal development goals, career, business, economic goals, toys, adventure goals, and contribution goals. For each of these, you have a set period of time in which to brainstorm. Write rapidly, keep your pen moving, don't censor yourself, just get it all on down on the paper. Here, I would love for you to, take a pause in this video because I assume that you're watching it as a, you know, recorded session. So I would love for you to grab a pen and paper. I have my copy and pen here, and I am going to do this along with you. All right. And constantly ask yourself, what would I want for my life if I knew I could have it any way I wanted it? Does that make sense? हमारे को अपने आप से पूछना है कि अगर हमारे पास वो होता, if we could achieve it, right? What would I like to have? What would I want for my life if I knew I could have it any way I wanted? कैसे भी हो सकता था. What would I go for if I knew I could not fail? Suspend the need to know precisely how. Just discover what is it that you truly want. Do this without questioning or doubting your capability. Okay. So you have your pen and paper ready. And I have it with me. I'm looking for a pen. I want to make it a little colorful. All right. So we are thinking about four areas of our lives, and the questions we are going to ask ourselves is, what would I want for my life if I knew I could have it any way I wanted? What would I go for if I knew I could not fail? And suspend the need to know precisely how. Just discover what we truly want in our hearts. Okay? Remember, if you get inspired enough, the power you will unleash from within will find a way to manifest your desire. Also, initially, don't waste time getting overly specific with things like want a split level house in Nob Hill in San Francisco with all white contemporary furniture and a splash of color here and there. Oh, and don't forget the Victorious Rose Garden. Just write Dream House, Big Garden, San Francisco. You will find in the detail later. You will find in the details later. So right now, put yourself in a state of mind of absolute faith and total expectation that you can create anything you want. I would like you to imagine that you are a kid again on Christmas Eve. You are in a department store about to sit on Santa's lap. Do you remember what this was like? If you talk to kids before Christmas, they have no trouble at all coming up with a fun, outrageous list. They will say, I will tell you what I want. I want a swimming pool. In fact, I want two swimming pools, one for you and one for me. An adult would probably turn to them and say, what? You will be lucky to get a tub on a backyard. We will get practical later. But for now, the point is to be a kid. Give yourself the freedom to explore the possibility of life without limit. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स. अब अपना आई डोंट नो if you have a pen and paper, you can put the topic personal development goal. Step 1. On the chart provided on an additional sheet of paper when you need more room, write down everything that you would like to improve in your life that relates to your own personal growth. How would you like to improve your physical body? Okay. What are your goals for your mental and social development? Would there be value in reading all the Shakespeare's work? Emotionally, what would you like to experience, achieve, and master in your life? Maybe you want to be able to instantly break pattern of frustration or rejection. Maybe you want to feel compassion for those you used to feel anger towards. What are some of your spiritual goals? Do you want to feel a great sense of connection with the creator, or you expanded feeling of compassion for your neighbor? The key in writing these goals is to write down everything and anything you can imagine without letting your mind stop. They can be short-term goals, something you want to accomplish with this week, this year, or they can be long-term goals, something you want to accomplish any time between now and the next 20 years. Brainstorm for minimum of 5 minutes. Don't stop writing at any time. Be silly, be crazy, be a kid. Sometimes a weird idea leads to a great destiny. Here are a few questions you may want to review just before beginning. But after you review them, go to work and begin your goal setting right now. So, what are the questions? What would you like to learn? What are some skills you want to master in your lifetime? What are some character traits you would like to develop? Who do you want your friends to be? Who do you want to be? What would you do for your physical well-being? Get a massage every week, every day, create the body of your dreams. Join a gym and actually use it. Hire a vegetarian chef. Complete the Ironman Triathlon in Honolulu. Would you like to conquer your fear of flying or of public speaking or of swimming? What would you want to learn? To speak French, study the Dead Sea Scroll, dance or sing, study with violin virtuoso Isaac क्या है? Perlman. Who else would you like to study with? Would you like to take a foreign exchange student? Okay, before we go ahead, I would love for you to, pause, take a pause and sit. I'll set a timer to 5 minutes and write this. उसके बाद हम जाएंगे step 2, step 3 पर. ठीक है? Let's make it truly, interactive, and let's do the work right now, because after this session कोई काम वाम करता नहीं है. So let's do it right now. Okay? I'll pause this recording here. but I would love for you to pause for yourself as well and do this activity right now. All right, so my list is ready here, and I hope your list is also ready. Let's move ahead. Let's see what is the step 2. And where's the screen? Let me share that. And this is so interesting, isn't it? Sure. Step 2 is to personal development goals. Okay. Now that you have got a list of goals on your personal development that you can get excited about, take a minute now to give a timeline to each and every one of these. At this stage, it's not important to know how you are going to accomplish these goals. Just give yourself a time frame from which to operate. Remember that goals are dreams with a deadline. Remember that goals are dreams with a deadline. Okay? The simple act of deciding when you will achieve a goal sets in motion and conscious and unconscious forces to make your goals a reality. So, if you are committed to accomplish a goal within 1 year or less, put 1 next to it. If you are committed to accomplish in 3 years, put a 3 next to it, and so on for 5, 10 and 20. ठीक है, चलो जल्दी से, ये तो 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा. I'll not pause the video. I would love for you to write, all of it quickly. कि आपको क्या क्या नंबर पे कितने टाइम में चाहिए ये सब कुछ. All right, I am done and I hope you are done as well. Let's understand what is step number 3. Step number 3 is now choose your single most important 1 year goal in this category. A goal that, if you were to accomplish in this year, would give you tremendous excitement and make you feel that the year was well invested. Take 2 minutes to write a paragraph about why you are absolutely committed to achieving this goal within this year. Why is this compelling for you? What will you gain by achieving it? What would you miss out on if you don't achieve it? Are these reasons strong enough to get you to actually follow through? If not, either come up with a better goal or better reasons. The most important distinction that I made about goals years ago was that if I had a big enough why to do something, a strong enough set of reasons, I could always figure out how to achieve it. Goals alone can inspire, but knowing the deepest reasons why you want them to be the first place can provide you with the long lasting drive and motivation necessary to persist and achieve. समझ में आ गया ना? Now we have to write why. What is the reason? What is it that is we are going to choose when the times are tough? Why do we want to achieve this goal? Because when the why is clear, the how will appear. When the why is strong, you will go back and stay committed. You will stay persistent in all times. Also, make sure that you are writing one full paragraph about why are you absolutely committed to achieving this goal within this year. And we have a set of 3, 4 questions here. That is, why is this compelling for you? What will you gain by achieving it? What would you miss out on if you did not achieve it? Are these reasons strong enough to get you to actually follow through? So sit, and quickly pause this video and do it right away. Let's have a plan. Let's know why we want to do it. Okay? I'm pausing this video right here and let's do it. Let's move forward. I hope you have done that, and let's move forward to what's next. I think we are moving into the second category now. This is so exciting. I'm so happy that I have written this. I wish you were live with me on this call so that we could do it together. We could share our goals and be together on this journey. Anyway, let's come to the second category, that is career, business, and economic goals. The next step is setting your career, business, and economic goals. Now, what do we need to do? Step number 1. What we are going to do, write down anything you want for your career, business, or financial life. What levels of financial abundance do you want to achieve? To what position do you want to rise? And take 5 minutes now to create a list that's worth $1 million. Do you want to earn a $50,000 a year, $100,000 a year, $500,000 a year, $1 million a year, $10 million a year? So much that you can't possibly count it. What goals do you have for your company? Would you like to take your company public? Would you like to become the leader in your industry? What do you want your net worth to be? When do you want to retire? How much investment income would you like to have so that you no longer have to work? And by what age do you want to achieve financial independence? What are the money management goals? How are you going to manage your money? Do you need to balance your budget, balance your checkbook, get a financial coach? What is it that you need? And last but not the least, what investment would you like to make? Would you finance an exciting startup business, buy a vintage coin collection, start a diaper delivery service, investment in mutual funds, set up a living trust, contribute to a pension plan? How much do you want to save towards giving your kids a college education? How much do you want to be able to spend on travel and adventure? How much do you want to be able to spend on new toys? What are your career goals? What would you like to contribute to your company? What breakthroughs would you like to create? Would you like to become a supervisor, a manager, a CEO? What would you like to be known for within your profession? What kind of impact do you want to have? These are the questions that you need to answer. Maybe not. And but the suggestion is, yes, if you go by the list, you are going to have a lot on your copy, right? Let's sit. I think this is going to take good 10 minutes. Let's pause this video right here and do this, right? I am stopping the screen share. I'm pausing this video because I also need to do this along with you. All right, let's do it now. All right, so I have it done for myself. It is a long one. And जल्दी से बताओ कि आप लोगों ने लिख लिया. If yes, amazing. You can comment under this video, I think, कि आपका हो गया है. Let's move to step number 2. And the step number 2 is, now that you have written down all your most compelling career, business, and economic goals, Take a minute to give a timeline to each one, as you did in your personal development goals. If you are committed to accomplish that goal in the next year or less, write a one next to it. If you are committed to achieving it within the next 5 years, write a five, and so on. Remember, what matters is not whether you know how you will attain that goal or whether the timeline is reasonable, but whether you are absolutely committed to attain it. All right. So इसके अंदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं लगने वाला है. Let's I'll not pause this video right here. I'll give you a minute. I'll do it for myself, and we'll hop on to the next step. Let's do it. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'll wait for 30 more seconds for you to complete it as well, because हो सकता है ना आपकी list मुझसे भी ज़्यादा बड़ी हो. I don't know. And if it is shorter or it is longer, just go through it. I hope you're done, and let's go to step number 3. Next, choose your top 1 year goal in this category of business and economics and take 2 minutes to write a paragraph about it, explaining why you absolutely commit to achieving this goal within this year. Be sure to stack up as many reasons as you can for achieving this goal. Pick reasons that will really drive you, that make you passionate and excited about the process. Again, if these reasons aren't compelling enough to get you into actually follow through, then come up with either better reasons or a better goal. ठीक है, हमारे को ये समझ में आ गया. ये 3 एक्शन स्टेप्स बार बार हमारे से करवा रहे हैं. फर्स्ट यू राइट ऑल द गोल्स, देन यू राइट कि उसको कितने टाइम में हमारे को अकम्प्लिश करना है, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज माय व्हाई बिहाइंड इट, व्हाई डू आई वांट टू अकम्प्लिश इट, एंड या हमारे को पूरी लिस्ट में से एक गोल को पिक करना है दैट वी वांट टू अचीव इन 1 year, एंड उसके लिए फिर हमारे को वाई लिखना है, एंड इट शुड बी सो कंपेलिंग कि हम उसको जब जब याद करें हमारे को फिर से, अगर जहां पे हम स्टक हो, फिर से एक्शन मोड में आने की मोटिवेशन मिले. Alright, let's do it. I'll pause this video. We'll come back in 2 minutes, and let's do it. All right, so how do you feel? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm very 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 excited, and I hope so are you. And जल्दी से बता दो मुझको कि कैसा लग रहा है after writing why you want to achieve your goals. That brings us to third category, that is toys and adventure goals. If there were no limits economically, what are some of the things you would like to have? What are some of the things you would like to do? If the genie were before you and any wish you made would immediately be fulfilled, what would you want the most in this world? ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. ये तो सबसे अच्छी चीज है, राइट? लेट्स डू स्टेप नंबर 1. टेक 5 minutes टू राइट डाउन everything you could ever want, have, do, and experience in your life. Here's some questions to get you going. Would you like to have to build, create, or purchase a cottage, castle, beach house, catamaran sailboat, private yacht, island, Lamborghini sports car, channel wardrobe, helicopter, jet plane, music studio, art collection, private zoo stocked with giraffes and alligators and hippos. अरे वाह, क्या लिस्ट दी है इसने भी. Virtual reality machine, would you like to attend an opening of a Broadway play, a film premiere in Cannes, a Bruce Springsteen's concert, a Kabuki theater production in Osaka, Japan? Would you like to race any of the addresses at the next Indy 500? Play Monica Sales and Steffi Graf or Boris Becker and Ivan Lendl in the double matches. Pitch the World Series. Carry the Olympic torch. Go one-on-one with Michael Jordan. Swim with the pink dolphin in the ocean of Peru. Race camels between the pyramids of Egypt, with your best friend, and win. Trek with the Sherpas in the Himalayas. Trek with the Sherpas in the Himalayas. Would you like to star in a Broadway play? Share an on-screen kiss with Jim Basinger. Dirty Dance with Patrick Swayze. Choreograph a modern ballet with Mikhaili Baryshnikov. What exotic places would you like to visit? Would you sail around the world like a Thor Dahi in the Conte Visit Tanzania and study chimpanzees with Jane Goddard? Oh my God, this is such an expansive and extensive, list. चलो भाई, समझ में आ गया ना. Launch on the sand of the French Riviera, sail a yacht around the Greek isles, participate in a dragon festival in China, take part in the shadow dance in Bangkok, scuba dive in Fiji, meditate in a Buddhist monastery, take a stroll through a Parado in Madrid, book a ride on the next space shuttle flight. Point is, go crazy. You have 5 minutes. I'm stopping this video and go crazy with what do you want to have in your life. Yesterday only I was telling that one of my mentors asked me to write 100 goals, 100 dreams, 100 desires that I want to accomplish. Now we are sitting and doing this. This is amazing. Let's do it. I'm pausing the video. Come back in 5 minutes with the work done. All right. All right. Does that bring a smile on your face? Itna sab kuch chahiye. Wow. Right. I hope you have a lots of things. 5 मिनट में जो लिख सकते थे लिख लिया होगा आपने. And now I would love for you to go to this list later. And उसके अंदर जो ऐड करना होगा कर देना. But for now, I hope you have taken 5 minutes, honestly, and written your desires. Let's go to step number 2. We already know what is step number 2. That is to, know kitne time mein accomplish karna hai. Let's read yet again. Step number 2 and 3. Again, give a timeline to each. Choose your top 1-year goal in this category and take 2 minutes to write a paragraph explaining why you are absolutely committed to achieving this. ठीक है? This is what we are going to do right away in the next year. Back it up with a strong reason, and of course, if these reasons are not compelling enough to get you to actually follow through, then come up with either better reasons or a better goal. ये हम करने वाले जल्दी से मैं पॉज कर रही हूँ, बट लेट्स डू इट क्विकली, ओके? एंड कम बैक इन 5 minutes. तो दोनों स्टेप्स करके आएंगे, ओके? डू बोथ द स्टेप्स. नंबर 1 इज हमने लिस्ट बना ली है. नंबर 2, वी हैव टू राइट 1 2 3 4 5 एज पर द नंबर ऑफ years वी वांट टू accomplish it within. उसके बाद नंबर 3, वी हैव टू राइट why. ठीक है? अगर हमारा रीजन कंपेलिंग इनफ नहीं है, सो दैट इट्स नॉट एज कंपेलिंग, सो दैट वी स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन. We have to rethink whether we have to give better reasons or we have to choose a stronger goal, bigger goal. ठीक है? Let's do it quickly. Woohoo! I hope आपके पास आपका सारा सामान gathered up है. Now we are diving into the fourth category, that is contribution goals. Let's do this one as well very quickly. And these can be the most inspiring, compelling goals of all, because this is your opportunity to leave your mark, creating a legacy that makes a true difference in people's lives. If it could be something as simple as tithing to your church or committing your household to a recycling program, or as broad as setting up a foundation to offer opportunities to disadvantaged people. ठीक है? So step number 1 is take 5 minutes to brainstorm out all of the possibilities. How would you like to contribute? Would you help build a shelter for the homeless, adopt a child, volunteer at the soup kitchen, read to the blind, visit a man or woman serving a prison sentence, volunteer with the Peace Corps for 6 months, take balloons to an old folks' home? How could you help to protect the ozone layer, clean up the oceans, eliminate racial discrimination, halt the destruction of the rainforest? What would you like to create? Would you come up with a perpetual motion machine, develop a car that runs on garbage, design a system for distributing food to all who hunger? इसके साथ ही स्टेप 2 एंड 3 भी हम करके आएंगे इन दिस 5 minutes ब्रेक. दैट इज एज बिफोर, गिव ईच timeline देनी है, and select your top 1 goal in the category and take 2 minutes to write a paragraph explaining why you are absolutely committed to achieving it within the next year. और अगर उससे आपको एक्शन ड्राइव नहीं हो रहा है, then you have to again see बेटर रीजंस चूज करने हैं कि हमारे को बेटर गोल, स्ट्रॉन्गर गोल चूज करना है. ठीक है? लेट्स डू इट क्विकली एंड कम बैक इन 5 minutes. ये हमारी गोल सेटिंग हो चुकी है बाय नाउ. 4 एरियाज के अंदर हमने अपने गोल्स सेट कर लिए हैं, राइट? दैट इज इकोनॉमिक्स, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, contribution goals, and number 3 was क्या है? Dreams and desires, toys and adventure goals. ठीक है? आगे देखते हैं क्या है. There is nothing like a dream to create the future, utopia today, flesh and blood tomorrow. Now you have 4 master 1-year goals that absolutely excite and inspire you, which sounds compelling reasons behind them. How would you feel if in 1 year you had mastered and attained them all? How would you feel about yourself? How would you feel about your life? I can't stress enough the importance of developing strong enough reasons to achieve these goals. Having a powerful enough why will provide you with the necessary how. Make sure that you look at these 4 goals daily. I'll repeat that. Make sure that you look at these 4 goals daily. Put them where you will see them every single day, either in your journal or on your desk at the office or over your bathroom mirror while you're shaving or putting on makeup. If you back your goals with a solid commitment of Cami to constant and never ending improvement of each of these areas, then you are sure to make progress daily. Make the decision now to begin to follow through on these goals, beginning immediately. Wow. Today was a very, very, very powerful day, and I hope you took full advantage of it. Tomorrow, we will discuss about how to make your goals real and the purpose of the goal. All right. So don't forget to be in the group. And as suggested by Tony Robbins, we are going to look and read our goals every single day from now onwards. We already have this done, guys. So all we need is keep reminding ourselves कि वो चार कौन से goals हैं, so that we do not deviate from there. We do not forget them, right? All right, on that note, let's close the session. Ruko. Before we go from here, uh, as always, key takeaways. Clarity is equal to power. You must define what you truly want with precision. Okay? गो तो 4 स्टेप्स हमने करे हैं. हमने पहले अपने 3 स्टेप्स करे हैं हर गोल के लिए, हर एरिया के लिए. पहले हमने अपने गोल्स लिखे कि हमको क्या क्या अचीव करना है. सेकंड, हमने लिखा कि भाई हमारे को 1 ईयर में करना है. टाइमलाइन दी उस गोल को कि 3 इयर्स में करना है, 5 इयर्स में करना है, 20 इयर्स में करना है, कितना टाइम में करना है. एंड देन एक गोल को हमने पिक किया दैट वी वांट टू अकम्प्लिश विद इन नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर. एंड उसके साथ हमने अटैच किया why I want to accomplish it. ठीक है. I would like for you to reflect on what is one area in my life where I have been vague about my goals. How can I make it ultra specific today? आज किसी एक एरिया को कोई देखो, हम हर एरिया को एक साथ नहीं बैलेंस करते. There is something that gets left behind. Now today I would love for you to pick that up and see what can you do about it. Just remember, the clarity is the first step. We have done a lot of action taking today. And I would love for you to, sit in silence for a little more after this session is over, so that you can, internally take it in, soak it in, what you want to do. Have the excitement of accomplishing it as soon as possible, right? And see how does the magic work. Duh. That's it for today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you, and see you tomorrow at 1:15 p.m. Bye. Mwah.